In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy nectar for your hummingbird feeder. Super simple, cheap. Don't go buy that stuff in the stores as the red nectar. It's overpriced, and this is so easy and fast that it's going to attract tons of hummingbirds for you. Hummingbirds. Put this out a couple weeks ago just for fun because it was out in our house, and we've been getting a lot of hummingbirds. So I'm going to show you how to make some nectar at home. So this is how I make it. I don't really measure it right now. I just put a bunch of water in here and then start boiling. You can see it's getting hot. Once it's boiled, I'll turn this off and then let it cool. If you've got one of these little measuring cups or bowls, this is what I like to use. You need to do 1 part sugar to 4 parts of water. So 1 cup of sugar to 4 cups of water. If you do make more, you can put it in your fridge and store it for up to a week. Okay, so I just need 2 of these because they're half cups. I like to put a little bit extra in just to give the hummingbirds a treat. Now here's the easy part, and this is why I like to use these. As you can see, I've got 1 cup of sugar, and I'm just going to pour my water up to the 4 cup mark. Oh, sorry, those are liters. Up to the 4 cup mark, and then obviously this water isn't quite cooled off yet, but I'll stir it up. It helps the sugar dissolve. Kind of making a mess here. And then I'll let the water cool off completely before I put it outside. Here's a hummingbird wondering where the sugar water is. It's almost like they can smell the sugar being brewed. Here he is again. Like, where's my sugar? I like to put it in the fridge just to speed up the cooling down process. Okay, so I've got this little funnel to kind of help me pour the water in. So just like this. Oh, or just go really slow. So pour slower if it's spilling everywhere. Well, I'm a little bit short because I spilt the rest of it on the floor, but all right, now that I'm done cleaning up my sticky nectar floor, let's go hang this thing. So now you can kind of see it, put it right in this bay window so that when we are looking out at these awesome mountains, we can also see awesome hummingbirds. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get all my content. I am a Utah realtor. I love helping people move to Utah or find a new home in Utah. If you have any questions about real estate, make sure to give me a call.